Hey my youth, you know where you watch? Dancehall.
Lift your hands and sing, everybody sing. My hallelujah belongs to you. My hallelujah belongs to you.
Viewers and subscribers, these clips are clips from Mr. Edward SEAGA's night, a night that had been held in TIVOLI Gardens, right? Enough people turn over show respect to Mr. Edward SEAGA in a TIVOLI garden, and this keep on the 5th of June, right? Yeah, it was kept on the 5th of June, you see. Now, some people have to say that this is not the 9th night since Mr. SEAGA passed away, isn't it? And for those who don't know what 9 night mean the 9th night that a person passed away. Especially people that are not from Jamaica. They don't really know that, isn't it? So, this is a mistake that some people make. Mr. SEAGA passed away on the 28th of May. But them not count the 28th of May night. Them count starting from the 29th. You see me? So, you have to do it like this. You have to count the 28th night of May, the 29th night of May, the 30th night of May, and the 31st night of May. And then you count the 1st of June night, and 2nd, so on. So we are at the 5th of June with the 9 night, you see me? So if you put 4 plus 5 together, that's how you get 9 night. You see me I say? Yeah. Alright, so you don't know a thing already. You know me keep on up to date and post it. So this, let me just show you already as me say, is Mr. Edward SEAGA's night. You see me? Alright. So anyways, you don't know anything already. If you're new to my channel, don't be afraid to click the subscribe button. Leave your comments, let me know what you think. My name is Skilla and this is the Dancehall Skilla ENT. On a big up on yourself. You see it?